Welcome. If you want to block ads in your HAFURY Note 10, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, and in the search pool you have to type Opera Mini, and we are going to download this browser, and I'm going to show you how easy we can block the ads with this application. So now just wait until it finishes download. Okay, and right now we can open. Accept the permissions. Click here OK, and right now just tap on the Opera icon in the right corner and check if the ad blocking is turned on. Right now we can enter the website. I think that we can go for example for this one. And as you can see here, we get the notification that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when we scroll down the website, we cannot find here any ads. And when we enter here one more time, we can check how many ads were blocked. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!